So viewers, this is the fourth part of basic English alphabet sounds. In this video, I am going to teach you the all possible sound from letter S to U. Let's get started. Alphabet phonics. Letter S. Pronunciation S. Related words with their sounds. You can see here 3 words with their pronunciation. Sir, same, sorry. S as so. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Sir, used as a formal and polite way of speaking to a man, especially one who you are providing a service to or who is in a position of authority. Same, exactly like another or each other, not change, not another different place, time, situation, person, or thing. Sorry, used to say that you wish you had not done what you have done, especially when you want to be polite to someone you have done something bad to. Alphabet phonics. Letter T. Pronunciation T. Related words with their sounds. Here you can see 3 words with their pronunciation. Tired, ticket, date. T as T. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Tired, in need of rest or sleep. Ticket, a small piece of paper or card given to someone, usually to show that they have paid for an event, journey, or activity. Date, a numbered day in a month, often given with a combination of the name of the day, the month, and the year. Alphabet phonics. Letter U. So guys, here you can see U can be pronounced in so many ways. Related words with their sounds. University, united, umbrella, underway, circus, citrus, push, pull, squid, square, business, busy, berry, fruit, suit, computer, computer, refuse, jewelry, insurance, security, purify, luxurious, you as you. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. University, a place where people study for an undergraduate, first or postgraduate, higher level degree. United, joined together as a group. If people are united, they all agree about something. You as a. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Umbrella, a device for protection against the rain, consisting of a stick with a folding frame covered in material at one end and usually a handle as the other, or a similar, often larger device used for protection against the sun. Underwear, underclothes, clothes worn next to the skin under other clothes. Circus, a group of traveling performers including acrobats, people skilled in difficult physical movements, or those who work with trained animals, or a performance by such people usually in a large tent. Citrus, any of a group of plants that produce juicy fruits with a slightly sour taste. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruit are types of citrus fruit. U as O. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Push. To use physical pressure or force, especially with your hands, in order to move something into a different position, usually one that is further away from you. Pull. To move something towards yourself, sometimes with great physical effort. U as were. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Squid. A sea creature with a long body and 10 arms situated around the mouth, or this animal eaten as food. Square. A flat shape with 4 sides of equal lengths and 4 angles of 90s. U as E. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Business. The activity of buying and selling goods and services. Busy. If you are busy, you are working hard or giving your attention to a particular thing. In a busy period, you have a lot of things to do. If you are busy, you are not free or available to do something. U as A. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Bury. To put a dead body into the ground. To put something into a hole in the ground and cover it. U as oo. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Fruit. The soft pod containing seeds that is produced by a plant. Many types of fruit are sweet and can be eaten. Suit. A jacket and trousers, or a jacket and skirts that are made from the same material. U as EU. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Computer. An electronic machine that is used for storing, organizing, and finding words, numbers, and pictures, for doing calculation and for controlling other machines. Refuse. To say or show that you are not willing to do, accept, or allow something. U as ua. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Jury. A group of people who have been chosen to listen to all the facts in a trial in a law court and to decide if a person is guilty or not guilty, or if a claim has been proved. Insurance. An agreement in which you pay a company money and they pay your cost if you have an accident, injury, etc. U as you are. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Security. Protection of a person, building, organization, or country against threats such as crime or attacks by foreign countries. Purify. To remove bad substances from something to make it pure. U as jua. Names with images. Here you can see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Luxurious. Very comfortable and expensive. That's all about Basic English Alphabet Sound Part 4. I hope you enjoyed and learned from my video. If you really like my video, so please like and share it with your loved ones. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. See you with the 5th and the last part of Basic English Alphabet Sound. Till then, take great care of you. Bye-bye.